Hello friends, welcome back. Now last thing in the shopping experience is to allow the user to do a checkout. So here in our cart page, let's wrap this in a div, okay, so that we can add some more stuff. So I have wrapped this in a div and here I'll take an h3 tag and inside this h3 tag, I'm going to write your shopping cart, okay. And after this UL, we can add a span and inside we can add a subtotal, okay. So that is going to be checkout dot subtotal price. Okay, let's save this. And if I go to the browser, if I refresh, so as you can see, there's a subtotal of 11,968. Okay, and now we can have a checkout button. So button, and inside we can write checkout, and here we need on click. So on click, that is going to have an arrow function, and here we need to write window dot location that is equal to checkout dot web URL. This we are getting from Shopify SDK. Okay, so now if I go to the browser, if I refresh, so as you can see, we have already added few quantities. Okay, let me remove this, and if I refresh, so now it is 1996. Let me update this. So now it is 998. Okay, and if I click on checkout, so it will redirect me to that checkout page. So here you can add your details like email address, first name, last name, address, and everything, and then you can continue shopping. But before that, we need to go to Shopify, and inside the settings, we need to set the payment as test payment. Okay, so you need to click on payment, and here activate the test payment provider. So you need to click here, and then here it is the option activate for testing bogus gateway. Okay, so let's activate that. Cool. Now let's go to our page, and here what we can do is we can add email ID, then you can click on continue shopping, and then continue to payment. And for this card number you can just go here, and here as you can see it says to simulate an approval transaction, you need to add one. So one, okay. Then name on the card, then expiration date. For expiration date to simulate a decline transaction, any three numbers can be used as card security, and expiration date is the future will work. So future will work. So let me add 02/04/2021. Okay, it's year. So 04/2022, security 123. Okay, and pay now. As you can see, it is showing me that your order is confirmed. Okay, so we have successfully done the checkout functionality. So this is it for this video. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.